This is David Lobo from the Deejay Coconut Breeding Farm. I would like to talk to you today about why you should love your coconut trees. All trees, but I love coconuts especially. A few years ago in 2006, Colin Tudge published a book, The Secret Life of Trees. A few years later, in 2015, Peter Wolhenben published another book, The Hidden Life of Trees. These two books brought out an entirely new dimension in nature and among trees. Did you know that trees can communicate, can pass messages between them, can help each other, give nutrition to each other, support each other, and protect each other? I read about all this in these two books. Get your hands on those books and read them. You will find an amazing range of stories, very interesting aspects of trees. I'm talking about this because I realized that one of the main things is that trees respond to people if people respond to them. To put it mildly, love your trees and they will show it back to you. Before I go deeper into that, let me tell you about a George Washington carver. He was a scientist in America, an Afro-American scientist who lived a long time ago. He was born on the 5th of January in 1864 and died on the 5th of January 1943. And I'm sad to say, he died a few months before I was born. I really would have loved to have met this gentleman. He became famous because of his love for plants. There were so many interesting things and stories about him. Once a lady brought a dead plant in a pot and says, "I heard about you, can you help me? Can you revive this plant? I think it's dead." And he said, "No, leave it with me." She came back a week later to find that the plant had grown, survived, and was really looking good. She came back a month later to find that the plant was alive and growing. There are many stories like this about him. Single-handedly, I think he created the entire peanut industry. And there are many other stories which you can read about him in books and novels, which you can read about him from Google and also books. I come back to the theme, love your plants. He could predict what a plant needed. He seemed to be inspired with what the problem was and what the solution was. He could tell things which scientists and other highly educated people could not tell. He loved his plants. And that's what I want to tell all plant lovers. Actually love them. Actually, under your breath, your neighbor might think you're a little cracked. So keep it under your breath and say you love your trees. When you go into your field, into your garden, into your farm, say that before you enter, and you will see the response. I keep telling all my people in my company, love the coconut trees around us. They will respond.